Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain is featured in our Denali trim, which means we have our chrome front grille. It's also featured in our deep red metallic paint, alloy rims, and rear privacy tint. We have chrome around the windows, black leather interior, all-wheel drive, and our 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Now on to the interior of the GMC Terrain. I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features. We'll start off here with the door panel. You can see we have our black leather, our memory seat option, and our wood grain, chrome door handle, and our lock and unlock buttons. Down below that we have our close handle, rear and front window controls, rear window lock, and our power mirror adjustment with joystick. Down below we have our power liftgate controls, Bose speaker, and storage. And then on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our fog lights, daytime running lights, and our interior lighting dimmer switch. Below that is our electronic park brake. In the dash, we have 3 speaker tweeters. Gauge cluster with screen in the middle. We can adjust what we see on that screen with the buttons and wheel on the right side of the wheel. We also have our voice commands and hang up for phone. GMC with chrome ring around, Denali in recessed into that chrome. Then we have our heated steering wheel option, front collision alert, and our cruise control. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. You can see our push start just off to the right. Then we have our infotainment screen. Go ahead and go to the home page. We can see we have our applications, including our audio, phone, and navigation. This car also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then we have our camera, My GMC app, as well as our applications. And then our homepage features our radio, connected phone, and navigation, and we can see those shortcuts at the bottom that follow us regardless of what page we navigate to. Radio controls, hazards, dual zone climate. You can see here we have our controls for each side of the climate. We also have a sync option to adjust both at the same time. Current temperature is displayed in degrees Celsius in the center. Our gear select area here, we have our push for park, pull for reverse, push for neutral, pull for drive, and then push again for low gear. Underneath that we have our SD card slot, USB, USB-C, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port. Textured rubber pad. 2 cup holders, and because we have the gear select up there, we have plenty of room for our off-road and driving modes. So you can see our park assists here, heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, selective all-wheel drive, so we have 2 and 4-wheel drive. We also have our hill descent assist, lane departure warning, and our off-road. Remote charging pouch there for our phone. Leather wrapped center console lid. Inside we have a very deep center console, 2 USB ports down there as well as an LED light, and the bottom is finished in textured rubber. Denali is embossed into our headrests. We can see we also have our light gray stitching and perforated black leather in the lower portion to allow for maximum breathability of the seats. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, 3 garage door openers, and our sunglass holder. The sunroof overhead is panoramic and features a moonroof in the rear. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with GMC logo center caps, Denali on the chrome strip that runs the length of the vehicle, chrome mirror caps, chrome on our door handles with our chrome lock and unlock buttons. That's on all 4 door handles. You can see that rear privacy tint. Round to the back, we can see our Terrain badging as well as all-wheel drive. We have a power-activated liftgate. You can see all the storage we have in the back. We also have off to the right the handles to fold down our rear 60/40 split bench. Now on to the rear interior of the Terrain. Take a look at the rear passenger door card, which also features our black leather. We have our wood grain, chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, padded armrest, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seat we have our leather magazine holder, and back of the center console we have our vents. You can see below we have 2 heated seat options. We also have our 2 USB ports and our charger. The rear seats are also featured in the patent black leather. We also have that same light gray stitching, perforated leather. And we have the addition of a fold-out center seat, which features 2 cup holders and a padded armrest. We'll see we have a 60/40 split bench in the rear. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 GMC Terrain. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.